Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings. Now click account management, and here as you will find your email settings. You can change your email, and that's how to find email settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.